if I have a child who's dysregulated, here's an example of management. Management is when the child unravels, the adults use a scripted language, 3 or 4 words that we all use and we all say with consistency so the child can kind of predict what the adults are going to do. We all come in with a low tone. We stand back. We're calm. Our hair isn't like sticking up on end, and we're not like like this. We're okay, and we come into the room. We're in pretty good shape, so we're regulated because that's what co-regulation is all about. That's management. So, and I found that I even have to write that down for folks. I have to say, when the child explodes, the child gives you a face, the child does something that you don't like, stay calm, take a step back, keep your poker face, tell the child, you're okay, let's move, whatever it is that we decide to tell the child. But I have to actually kind of tell people that because you would assume that people would understand the concept of co-regulation, but they often don't.